Heart Collage is a fun app that takes multiple pictures and stitches them together into the shape of a heart. Press the camera button to get started. There is a red line on screen. This is for you to line up your body to form parts of the heart. Press Start Timer and get into position. There will be multiple pictures, so keep on moving. When you see an empty frame, you can step out. Use the top right corner to see how many more pictures you need to take. Okay, 7 of 8. Let's do one more. And now, we got the shape of a heart with our body. Press the share button and show all your friends what you just did.